those of you who own a Toro, especially the 5000 series, we've developed a system to attach the Z-Buck to it as well. So I'd like to lead you through that process. It's really quick and easy. Again, we're ready to hook the wiring up, and the first thing we do is, of course, put the negative, the ground on, and get that attached. And then we move over to the positive connection, and we get that attached. And then we look for ways to thread it through the body so it doesn't hit any moving parts, so that it doesn't make any contact with anything and create sparks or create a fault. Now we're tightening up the positive connection here. So the wiring is hot. There's a fuse here. So if you do have any kind of contact, it won't drain down the battery or start a fire. And then we find a way to thread it through the body of the zero turn so that it doesn't hit any moving parts. Maybe we can go through here like this and get it down close to where we're going to put the Z-Buck. Okay, we've developed a system whereby we can attach this Z-Buck to the 900 series as well as the 5000 series of Toro, and there are other Toro mowers that we can attach to as well. But the first thing we do is just simply put them in place. Then we place the foot pedals here like this, and we use a blocking system like this so that it actually captures the front rails that hold the casters on. It's very positive and it's strong to do it that way. So see how we're using this, bolting it on like this. Doing another one like that too. Okay, we're all lined up and the bolts are started, and all we have to do now is tighten it up. I want you to come in and take a look at the positive connection that we're involved in here in this particular process. It really tightens down well, and it causes it to be really strong. We know we can handle the 350 pounds at the end of the bucket. So we have a positive connection, and I'll show you how it functions. Okay, I'll show you how it functions now. The lift is a little slow because it's geared down, allowing us 2,000 pounds lift at the actuator, and then we have 350 pounds of lift at the end of the bucket. Then the tilt is a little faster. You can see how that functions. Now we will be able to adapt these to other zero turns. Just remember, the spindle system needs to be heavy duty. So keep your zero turns in the area of like 25 horsepower and more. That allows us to have enough beef on it so that you don't break axles and spindles. But we will be able to work with you in adapting this to other zero turns as we get along the way. And also, it's really not made for heavy duty digging. You aren't supposed to dig a basement out for your new house, although we know several of you will try and maybe even be successful. But it's really for material handling. So keep that in mind as you use this. Thanks for your interest in our new zero turn bucket called the Z-Buck.